the game of Typewriter. Players, are you ready?
Yes!
Begin.
The grand tree. Exterior. Night. Once upon a time, Jeremy, the young slug, was going along his normal routine of picking up a berry and then eating it. No, I don't quite like this. Legs. Jeremy the slug with legs. Now, every single day, Jeremy would walk the same routine, all the way around his favorite tree. Go get a berry from the berry bush. Nom nom nom, said Jerry. Nom nom nom. Then, one fateful afternoon, he came along to see his tree had been cut down. Oh no, he cried.
Oh no, I cried!
Out came the huntsmen, who were cutting down all the trees. They were in fact not illiterate.
Let's get this.
But this tree would not cut down, no matter how big their guns were. Their puppies, bark, bark. They said every time they flexed.
Punch it down, you're almost there!
Every time they flexed, they said bark, bark.
Bark!
They took out words because the tree has bark.
No man, this tree just isn't coming down.
And then, with sudden prosperity, the tree began to glow. Stop! Cried Jeremy the slug with legs.
Stop! I have legs!
This is a magical tree.
This is a magical tree!
Now, scientists want you to believe that most trees give off oxygen, and by that I mean all trees give off oxygen. That's supposed to keep the world prettier.
Trees give off oxygen.
What he said!
But the real truth was the only tree that gave off oxygen was the glowing tree.
Yes! This is the only tree that gives off oxygen!
Prove it!
The slug decided he would need to go on a long journey to find out that trees did not give off oxygen.
You want to slide while we like? Well, all right. Slide. I taught you how to play this. You're supposed to
Got it! With his tree, they gave off no oxygen. Smell it, he said.
Smell it, I say!
They smelled the tree, but no oxygen could they smell. No oxygen, they cried.
No oxygen, we cried!
From there on forth, the huntsmen decided not to cut down trees, but to kill wolves that had eaten grandmothers.